Good afternoon, class 9. Once again, I am your economics teacher Anju Sinha is here before you. In my last video lecture, I told you about the difference between multiple cropping and modern farming methods. Today, I am going to explain next thing, that is what the sale of surplus farm products. What they do with the surplus that they have after producing crops on their field. But as we have seen that there are four types of farmers in Palampur or in other villages of India also, and they are, number one is large farmers, and in Palampur their numbers are around 60, those who have more than 10 hectares of land. Second type of farmer is a medium farmer, those who own less than 10 hectares but more than 2 hectares of land. Third type is called small farmers, those who have around 2 hectares land, means 1 to 2 hectares land. And fourth one is marginal farmers. Marginal farmers are those farmers who own less than 1 hectare of land. 1 hectare equal to 2.5 acre land. And here now we will see that large farmers, because they have bigger land, larger land, so they have extra produce from that land, because they keep some part of the produce for their family consumption in a year, that they will consume throughout the year, and rest which is left for them or left to them is called surplus. So what is surplus? Surplus is the extra thing which we have, or which any farmer possess, means which is more than their own consumption. So they have surplus, and after retaining or keeping one part of the produce for their family consumption, the extra that they have, they sell it in the bigger market of Raiganj and Sapur. And in this way, the money that they earn, the profit that they make after selling the surplus, is kept by them either in banks, or they use those money in buying fixed capital, working capital, or to lending the small farmers. If small farmers comes to them or goes to them to take loan, then these money they use to lend them. And some part that they have kept in bank can be used for further production in next year. This will become capital for them, and in this way they do with the surplus, they sell the surplus in the market or bigger market, and they make money. Next topic that I also have to discuss is key labor needed for farming. So as we have read that most important factor labor is also, and it is of two types, skilled labor and unskilled labor, and both type of labor is required in farming or any other production activities, non farming activities. So but small farmers, they do not need to hire labor, because their land is very less or very small, and so all the work on the farm they do themselves and with the help of their family members. But large farmers who owns more than 10 hectare or 20 hectares land, so they hire laborers, and laborers are hired at a very low wage, because government has fixed for them, as you have read in the chapter, that government has fixed 65 rupees for one day work, but they are being given by them only 30 to 35 rupees. So this is quite less. But because landless laborers or the people, those who are in search of work, they have no other option, so they have to accept, they are bound to accept these wages given by the large farmers. So in this way laborers are hired, or labor needed in farming is arranged by large and small farmers. Next thing is, that is capital needed in farming, that I have already discussed, because large farmers, they have extra produce, so they have capital, and the savings that they have made or kept in the bank becomes capital for them to use it in buying the inputs for the farming activities, or for any other investment that they can do with their extra money that they have created after selling the surplus produce. Now last topic is left with you all is non farming activity. activities, as we have already discussed, and in many times I have told you all that there are 4 non-farming activities which you are going to read in the chapter. Number 1 is dairy. Dairy is the most common activity for all the village people in Palampur as well as in any other village. But only 25%, means out of 125 people are engaged in non-farming activities, and the activities which they do out of their field, it does not require enough means more investment or more capital, and more investment or capital they do not have. So if they have a bullock cart, what they do with it, they attach or connect cart with it, and these in this way they use that cart to ferry the items, to carry the items from village to the bigger town, and then they bring the necessary things from town to village. And in this way dairy is the most common activity. And what they do, they have open fields, they have fodder easily available, so they keep cows, buffaloes, etc., and the product milk, etc., is delivered or provided to the bigger Mistapur, where the trader have installed a chilling machine, and in this way they make money with this. Next type of activities are non-farming activities, small scale manufacturing. Under what they do, they install a sugarcane crushing machine in their on their field, and this sugarcane crushing machine can be used, or they use it to convert or make jaggery from the sugarcane, or in any other form it can be converted and then sold, and in this process they make money. Third activity is called shopkeeping. What they do in shopkeeping means, if somebody is literate and no computer, they open a computer class, or they run a computer class, or they open a general shops where they sell the daily needs item. And the last one activity is small scale manufacturing. In a small scale manufacturing, what they do, they install, or with less capital they start some business, like dal processing machines they install, they do other type of small work, basket making, etc. These type of small scale manufacturing work which does not require bigger machines and more investment. In this way we have seen that there are 4 activities which have been mentioned or which have been described in the chapter. Okay, so again in my next video lecture I will revise the chapter for you all, and if you will need, notes will be given.